For decades, the F-22 Raptor has been the undisputed king of the skies. Its combination of speed, stealth, and agility made it the world's premier air superiority fighter. But the nature of warfare is changing, and the F-22, a legend born from Cold War thinking, is facing the limits of its design. Now, a new shadow is rising to take its place. This is the inside story of the secret F-47, the aircraft poised to redefine air dominance. The F-22 was built to be the ultimate lone wolf, a single platform designed to dominate. The F-47, however, isn't just a fighter jet. It's the central command node of a new combat ecosystem. In modern aerial combat, it's not about the best plane, but the best network. The F-47 is designed from the ground up to be the brain of that network. Its stealth isn't just about shaping the airframe to deflect radar. The F-47 employs broadband signature control. This means it actively manages its infrared, thermal, and electromagnetic profiles in real. Adaptive radar-absorbent materials can change their properties mid-flight. To further reduce its signature, the F-47 ditches traditional vertical tail fins, relying instead on advanced thrust vectoring for maneuverability. Under the skin, the F-47 is built for extreme performance. The structure uses heat-tolerant materials, preparing it for flight at near hypersonic speeds. Sustained supercruise, flying faster than sound without afterburners, is a mandatory feature, not an optional extra. This is all made possible by a revolutionary variable cycle engine, which can switch between high-thrust combat mode and a high-efficiency cruise mode. This gives the F-47 incredible range, freeing it from the vulnerability of relying on aerial tankers, a crucial advantage for operations in the vast Pacific. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll find it surprisingly minimalist. The pilot is no longer just a pilot. They're a mission commander. Artificial intelligence is the real co-pilot, fusing data from countless sensors, prioritizing threats, and generating targeting solutions automatically. The AI filters the overwhelming flood of battlefield information, presenting only what's critical to the pilot. This reduces cognitive load and allows the human to make the key command decisions, not fly the plane manually. The F-47's weapons bay is massive, designed to carry the next generation of long-range missiles and even hypersonic interceptors. But its most game-changing weapons might not be missiles at all. Integrated directed energy systems, like lasers, can provide a near-infinite defensive shield against incoming attacks. Crucially, the F-47 never flies alone. It commands a swarm of unmanned loyal wingmen. These autonomous drones extend its sensor range, carry extra weapons, and can be sent on high-risk missions, all coordinated by the F-47's powerful AI. This team-based approach fundamentally changes aerial tactics. The F-47 doesn't just attack other aircraft. It attacks the enemy's entire sensor and communication network first. It blinds and deafens its opponents, causing their information systems to collapse before the first shot is even fired. This is why the F-22 is being replaced, not because it failed, but because the very definition of air superiority has evolved. The F-47 represents this new era. It's a shift from platform-centric dogfighting to network-centric warfare, from brute force to information dominance.